Victoria Beckham admits she misses her sons, after all three of them have moved out. The mum of four only has 10-year-old daughter Harper at home in London after her eldest children flew the nest. Brooklyn, 23, recently tied the knot with U.S. actress and heiress Nicola Peltz, 27, so is starting married life in America. Middle son Romeo, 19, lives in Miami where he plays professional football and shares a home with model girlfriend Mia Regan, also 19. While youngest son Cruz is only 17, but is currently at boarding school and has big plans to move to LA to pursue a music career. Get all the biggest showbiz news straight to your inbox. Sign up for the free Mirror Showbiz newsletter. I miss them so much, the former Spice Girl turned fashion designer revealed in an interview with Grazia magazine. David and I have gone from having 4 kids at home to having 1.5. Brooklyn and Nicola are going to be living between La and Palm Beach. Romeo's living is in Miami and Cruz is in between home and boarding school. But although most of her brood is currently US-based, the 49-year-old says she has no plans to leave the UK. The Beckhams have a huge £40 million mansion in West London's swanky Holland Park. They also own a £6 million converted barn on an estate in Chipping Norton in the Cotswolds. But despite having lived all over the world, Victoria says London is where she feels most at home. It comes as newlyweds Nicola and Brooklyn revealed they didn't get along at first. The couple first met at Californian music festival Coachella, and last month the couple married in a lavish ceremony in Palm Beach. In an interview with British Vogue magazine, Peltz explained she did not hit it off straight away with her future spouse when she was first introduced to him in 2017. Despite their initial meeting, the pair became engaged in June 2020 and, after twice postponing their wedding due to COVID-19, got married at the home of Peltz's father, U.S. billionaire Nelson Peltz, in April. When the world was in lockdown, we went through different variations of what a wedding would look like, Peltz told Vogue. We weren't sure if we should do a small one earlier and then a big party. Eventually, we decided we wanted the big wedding as soon as it was possible to do it safely. And we're so happy we did. It was amazing to be in the presence of so many people we love again. Or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.